shark nose front end, high-tech features, and those classic BBS rims. Today in the Model Car Vault, we're looking at the Solido 1/18 scale 1984 BMW 635 CSI, and I'm going to tell you my biggest regret about it. The BMW 635 CSI, with its sleek shark nose design and 3.4-liter inline-6 engine, combines smooth power, advanced tech like ABS and an onboard computer, and premium touches like electric racing-style seats. A standout blend of style, performance, and luxury, it was at the top of BMW's E24 series evolution. In 2024, Solido introduced a brand new mold of the iconic BMW E24, elevating the level of detail significantly compared to their earlier models. I'll leave a link to where you can buy one in my description. In this review, we'll explore its functionality, build quality, and details, and then I'll share what this car means to me and the biggest regret I have about it. Let's get into it. We'll start with its functionality, which is limited. On this model, only the doors open. Inside you'll notice that the steering wheel turns the wheels, which is always a nice touch for diecast cars. However, that's where the functionality stops. There's no suspension, and the trunk and hood don't open, which is a bit of a letdown, especially since the hood opened the opposite way, which was pretty cool. Hey, speaking of opening, I've got a whole unboxing video of the 635 CSI right here on my channel you can check out. Let's move on to build quality. The car measures 10¼ inches long, 3¾ wide, and just under 3 inches high. On my scale, it weighs in at 1.42 pounds. The paint has a nice high quality finish to it. Solido chose to go with my favorite color, what BMW called henna red. The tires are a nice feeling rubber, but don't roll that smoothly. The car's body panels are all metal, and all the other parts are plastic as expected. Everything comes together with really nice joints and precise gaps. So overall, well built. If you're passionate about model cars and enjoy these reviews, hit that like button and subscribe. Now let's dive into the details. We'll start with the interior, which was pretty high tech for its time. Back in 1984, features like a trip computer were cutting edge, even though they're commonplace today. The dashboard is angled towards the driver, giving it a cockpit-like feel that emphasizes control and ergonomics, and Solido did a decent job with the gauges and buttons. This model features a stick shift, as you can see, meaning it was a manual transmission. The model features detailed front performance seats and rear bucket seats. A cool little detail on this diecast is the door jamb label. It's not super legible, but it's pretty neat to have. Taking a quick look underneath the car, there's not a ton of detail, it's just the exhaust system that's visible. The wheels are BMW's classic BBS rims with their timeless cross-spoke design. Moving to the front end, Solido nailed the headlights, grille, and BMW badge placement. At the bottom, there's a front skirt, a sporty addition to the 6 Series that came with this generation. Around the car, you'll notice chrome accents like the mirrors and door handles, along with black pinstriping that runs cleanly along the body. In the back, there's a black spoiler, which was rubber on the real car, along with well-placed BMW and 635 CSI badging. You've also got the license plate, nice rear lights, and visible exhaust tips. Oh, and check this out. Looking through the rear glass, you'll see it says Champion du Monde 1983 avec le moteur BMW Turbo Formule 1. Pardon my French. If anyone watching knows what I said or why this was included on the model, drop a comment and let me know. It's worth noting that this 635 CSI is a European spec model, easily identified by its sleek, slim chrome bumpers, a sharp contrast to the larger, impact-absorbing bumpers on the North American versions, like the one I used to drive. That's right, in my early 20s, I actually owned a red BMW 635 CSI, passed down from my older brother. From the moment I sat in the driver's seat, I was hooked. Driving it felt like a dream, every time. Unfortunately though, a few years later, I traded it in for a Mazda 3. I know, can't wait to hear the comments on this one. Fast forward to today, the 635 CSI is now a highly sought after classic, topping car collectors' wish lists worldwide. Selling it remains one of my biggest regrets, but thanks to Solido, I can relive those memories with this diecast model. Sure, the hood and trunk don't open, but the details are incredible, and the nostalgia it brings back is priceless. This little piece of my past isn't going anywhere. It's here to stay. That's my story, but what about yours? Do you have a connection with the 635 CSI? Or another model that brings back memories? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and check out the unboxing video on my channel. Thanks for watching The Model Car Vault.